What's up guys, Nate with 4Runner Lifestyle. Today we're going to show you the super simple install with a third brake light. The only thing that you're going to need is a screwdriver. It's not the size that matters, it's the capability, and we'll just hop into it. So we got two options for these. So you can either go with our smoked third brake light, or we have the red third brake light. So today we're going to be going with the smoked third brake light for this 4Runner. So first things first, we're gonna take out the two screws on the existing third brake light. So our third brake light is gonna be just complete plug and play. There's just gonna be the little tab on the back side, and push that down, and then the existing third brake light will pop right off. There we go. So for this, you can wire and tap that into your brakes, and so that way it'll act as a third brake light reverse light, which the stock one doesn't come with. If you don't want to use it, you can either just tuck it into this little hole right here, or you can even cut it off if you don't ever see yourself using it. So for this one, we're just gonna slide it on in because we're probably gonna install it later on. Okay, we've got that tucked, and then just plug it right into the port, like so. All right. Okay, and then after you pop that in, line it up with the holes, stick the Phillips with the screw back in, and just tighten those bad boys down. Awesome. 30 seconds later, you've got the new smoked out third brake light. If you have any questions, just leave the comments down below. We're gonna have this linked in the description. Thanks for watching.